In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your document with ease. Whether you're working on a report, a creative project, or just need to store your notes securely, understanding how to properly save your document is a crucial skill. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your work is safely stored and easily accessible whenever you need it. First, with your document open and ready to be saved, head over to the File tab at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a spacious menu with a variety of options to explore. Look for the Save As option. Depending on the software you're using, it might also be labeled Save a Copy. Selecting this option will initiate the process of saving your document, allowing you to specify exactly how and where you want it stored. Now, let's move on to choosing a location for your file, which is a critical step. You have several options including OneDrive, this PC, or any specific folder you prefer. If you opt for OneDrive, your document will be backed up to the cloud, offering the advantage of accessing it from any device connected to the internet. On the other hand, saving to this PC or a specific folder means your document is stored locally on your device. This might be preferable if you're working offline or have privacy considerations. Once you've decided on the location, it's time to enter a file name. This is an important step because a clear and descriptive file name will help you identify the document easily in the future. Enter the name that makes sense for the content of your document. Try to avoid generic names like Document 1, as these don't convey much about the file itself. Instead, think about what will make it immediately recognizable to you at a glance. At this point, you also have the option to choose the file type in which you'd like to save your document. For most users, the default Word document format, denoted as a .docx file, will be ideal as it retains all formatting and is compatible with various versions of Word. However, if you need your file in a different format, perhaps as a PDF or just plain text, this is the stage where you can specify that as well. Finally, with all these details entered, click the Save button. This confirms your choices and your document is now securely saved. Remember, saving your work regularly as you progress is good practice, minimizing the risk of losing important information due to unexpected issues like power failures or software crashes. By the end of this process, you should feel confident about saving any document with precision and care. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those files organized and secure.